Good morning, everyone. Well, today we're back with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. And we're on day 10, and our sketch artist today is Cindy Brown. And she has paper that appears to have lines in it, so I decided to use this wood. And, oh, I went and got it. It's from Memory-Place Wood Artistry or something. Here's the back of it. That's really gorgeous too. I almost flipped it over when I was working on it. And but I love how this looks with her colors. And so anyway, we've got a strip of photos here. She's got embellishments here and here, and a title here. And mine's going to be very similar, except for I am going to add one more photo. I wasn't going to. I was just going to put on another one, but I thought, you know what? I've got an awful lot of space after I put this here, so I am going to use this here. I'm only using the background paper, and then I'm using 6x8s. And this, I just pieced it together, actually right here. And then I have this piece that's a locker, because she's on her way to school. And I just thought those lockers are super cute. I wanted to be able to use them. And so I've already got her lined up on there, so I think I'm ready to glue this part down. Or tape it down, I should say. And there's more of the lockers. And this is Mintay's School Days. And I have the collection. I don't have too many of the big papers left, because I used it for every kid, I think, but it's a really super cute collection. I would have bought two if I'd realized how fast it went. Because it's like my favorite school collection. Okay, so that's going to be right there. Then I'm going to mat this on here. I just thought it almost looks like she's standing in amongst the lockers, even though she's really outside getting in the car. She's a smart kid. She wants to be a doctor. We've got two granddaughters that want to be doctors now. We'll see how that goes. When she was little, she wanted to be an artist, this one. Okay, let's see here. Why didn't I even push that down? It's already stuck. You know how I do that? Okay, I think this stuff will fit up here yet. Okay. So then I'm going to take some of the pretty flowers that's in this collection, and I'm going to put that right there. I think right there is good. I'm going to put this here and this here. So I'm building a little cluster. And she's got this pretty big binder that she's, I mean, almost looks bigger than her. Okay, I think about right there is good. And then I'm putting a book right here. Or that book, well, I think I want it slid over just a little bit more this way. Okay, that's probably good there. And then I'm going to put the title on it. And so I'm putting the letters on this so that I can actually see it, because I'm using dark letters. Okay, I think I want to start right here. Oh, I might have to put it closer to me. I think we're going to do this. Janet always says, put them like you're stacking wood. She says it's easier to line them up. I picked out other letters and there was no R's.
R.
Oh, there's an R. Okay, I think that looks pretty straight there. I think I could pull down this A just a hair. So I got my comedian here again today. You know, he's retired. So it's comedy all day long. Okay. I think that's better. So for now, my R looks like it's too high. One thing about these letters, they're easier to move around than the ones that you glue down. Okay, and I think this needs to go over just a hair. Okay, hopefully that's it. Otherwise I'll be here with it all day. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. Okay. And then, okay, she had a little cluster up here, so I'm gonna use this little, is it called a, oh, it's called a compass. What is it called? Okay, and I've got a calculator, and I've got a little cluster of flowers again, because this is Mintay, so we get flowers. And so I don't want that one first, I want this one first. I'm just going to put this right up in the corner. And I'm going to have to use glue. I moved everything from when I had the paper here yesterday. I had everything out of the way. And I got all my paper put away. And now maybe, I think that I have all the papers where they really need to go now. I used to always, you know, I've always had my papers like that. And, you know, with the dots together, or, you know, polka dots together, plaids together, and I used them very well. But now since I have colors, I just go there, which I think is easier. Okay, and then I've got that there. So I've got that little cluster there. Okay, and then I have some things here. I've got a book, I've got a pencil, got a computer, some books. I got a coffee or a tea. I think she does chai tea, like me. So that's what I have here. Okay, and I think the books, I'm gonna put those down first. Kind of stack them right by her lockers. And then I want the computer. She says, sometimes I can't sleep, so then I just get up and study. That's great. And I've got her little chai tea. And I'm going to let it overlap the picture here. And then I've got an apple. And I'm just going to kind of tuck it there behind the tea. Okay, and then I think the little, got another bunch of flowers, because who doesn't like a little flowers in their life? Oh, and I can't tuck it underneath there. Okay, I know I can. Okay, there. And then her book. And then the fancy pencil, the long pencil. Okay, and I never pulled out any enamel dots, but I'd like to have that blue. Let's see if we got that blue. That's our school colors. And let's see here. Do we have a, what is that called? Royal blue? I do not think I have any royal blue. Oh, maybe this. This blue is so dark it's almost black, but I think that might be the color I'd like. It's like it's got glitter on the card. Okay, so I think I'm going to use, or I could use these really bright. I think I'm going to use these. It kind of looks like the blue that's on the locker. And I think I'm going to start up here in this corner and just put 2. I think I'm going to see if it will overlap that red a little bit, because it's almost hard to see against that brown. Ah, it got away. Ginger shoots stuff around the room, and she thinks it doesn't happen to anybody else, and it does happen to probably all of us. I know I'm always shooting something across the room or dropping it on the floor. Okay, let's see. Maybe one over here. I know sometimes it's funny when it happens. Then sometimes it's just annoying. Okay, I always have a hard time getting rid of them. There we go. So there, and then I'm going to put one down, put some down here. I'm going to stick one of the big ones right there by the flowers, so it kind of pops up on it. And there, and you know what? I'm going to stick a little bit of glue right underneath that. Right underneath that cup. Okay. And where do I want my little one? I think right there. Okay, that was super easy. Well, thank you, Cindy Brown, for a quick and easy one, because you know, it's like sometimes I have pictures and I just don't know what I'm doing with them, and sometimes you get a sketch and you go, oh, that's where I need to put those pictures. So that's one of those. So thank you for joining me. I will have close-ups at the end, and I will see you tomorrow. And we'll be on day 11. Oh, down below you'll see a link that goes to other YouTube creators that are also doing the hop. And then there's also a place where we have all the still shots. So go over and check those out. And if you want her link to the sketches, Christy's Beautiful Life, link to the sketches, I will put a link down below, and it's to Christy's Facebook page. And on there, if you go to File, you'll see at the top of the list, if you click on File, on the top of the list it'll say a PDF, and you can print out like this sheet where it's like, it's a great big sheet of all the sketches, which I thought I had here, but I do not. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.